Hi, everybody likes something new, more advanced, much better for the individual. In reference to making your hair fuller, remember, the best way to make your hair fuller is to enhance your existing hair. What does that mean? It means keep your existing hair, use all your existing hair, and just add additional hair in between your existing hair. How is this possible? Through the invention of the microstrand. Now notice, as you've seen probably before, you see right through this. When it makes contact to your scalp, it disappears. But before we do that, imagine a microscopic tip apparatus feeding one human hair at a time onto this to customize it for you. To become this one example of the finished product. See how you see right through this? So that means that when this is blended between your own hair, it's gonna disappear. You're gonna have full access to your scalp, and you're gonna be able to style it any way you want, anytime you want, and you're gonna be able to go to sleep with it, wake up with fuller hair, shower with fuller hair, swim with fuller hair. It's full-time fuller hair, which makes all the difference in the world. And another thing, if you have your own hairdresser and you want your own hairdresser to learn about this or to apply it for you, we can arrange that. So we also have training for your hairdresser if you prefer that, or of course you can come to our own hair studio. So remember, the most advanced, easy, safe way to make your hair fuller is to blend one hair at a time in between your existing hair. Thanks.